If you're watching this, then I'm already dead. No, I was just joking. That would suck. So, this is my face. This is my other face. This is my name. And this is my therapy video. Abracadabra. Wow. I like boys on swings and girls on skateboards. I like babies in high chairs. I like pharmaceutical medicine wrappers. I like people in hats with big eyebrows. I like people in big hats with big eyebrows and big mustaches. I like water cotton spider subs. I like wearing all my clothes at once. I like people who don't smile. Ever. And I like people who smile. I love hair that goes on and on. I love food. Today, honestly, lots of things to cook. In some ways, I love everything, because it's less of a sort of thing, like, less distinct, less particular. I like things that I like, but I love everything. It's more of a choice in life. Even the worst things have things I love in them. I love things so much that they could float away. My mom understands how to float away every day. I don't understand that so much. And I don't know what you mean by things I hate. I hate shoes. I hate people who change their voice when they say something important. I hate my thighs. I hate war. I hate swimming costumes that cling. I hate dripping taps. But I also sort of love dripping taps. I hate invitations. I hate radiators. I hate this. Wow. Sorry.